This is a technique that we can have our clients do or that we can use for self-care, and it's going to help us deal with plantar fasciitis conditions. So this next exercise that we're going to do is going to help us get into the bottom side of the foot or in through the plantar fascia. So we want to spread our toes apart, and then we are going to come down to our knees and do our best to sit back on our feet, on our heels. You can use your hands to brace if you find that it's really spicy or juicy. And you will want to breathe. Give yourself a good 3 breaths before you move on to releasing this stretch. You can release this stretch by leaning forward and tapping the tips and the tops of your toes. And then you'll spread your toes apart again and come back